from dancing. Yakapin mo ng mahigpit na mahigpit si Mami sa mga oras na ito. Pwede na po kayo maglaba tomorrow. Magsampay! Thank you so much, we love you. Because can you guys give them a big hands, please? Julie, I'm gonna give you 10 seconds to think about it. Girls, you also would like to think of another unique word and you do not repeat what the boys will about to say. Isang adjective word and you have... Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies first. Hey, chance na kayo. Ladies first. Ma'am, ikaw na daw po ang representative. Oo, ma'am. Hindi ka na, ma'am. Galing mo mag-dance kanina sa entourage. Thank you. Alright, nakatingin po yung couple natin. Ano po ang isang adjective word na babagay at maiyan? Hahalin tulad ninyo ang ating couple. May it be in English or in Tagalog or any dialect. Go. Sweet! Sweet because...
They're yummy?
Because they love chocolates too much.
Because they love chocolates too much. Tama po ba? Mahilig sa tsokolate ang couple natin. Because they are sweet to each other. Napaka matamis po ng ating couple. So sobrang tamis po nila. Puro po sila cookies sa tabi po nila. Thank you. Wow, very fine talaga ha. Boys. Sweet, napakasimpleng salita pero malaman, malakas ang dating. So, sir, the Lambada Master, category.
Similar pa sila tayo.
Alright.
Puto.
Cute, according to them. Cute. Why cute? Kasi daw may dimples. Pareho sila. Oo. May dimple sila pareho. Kaya po, ang masasabi po nila sa inyo ay cute. Palakpakan naman po natin the Lambada Masters. Thank you po.
At ikaw nag-isip eh.
Okay. Sir Ken, dito mo sa kabila po. I-post ka po sa ating camera and flash yourself to the cake.
Here's a thing called love. There goes my baby. She knows
Tahan-tahan po sila. Ilipat po nito sa inyong plate. Go ahead, couple.
she makes me into a sweat.
Sino muna yung unang magbibigay ng cake kay Julie and vice versa? So let's see.
I get a hip, I get on my track, take a backseat, a headshot.
Palakpakan naman po natin. And tingnan natin, gano'n ba kalaking cake, Ma'am Julie? Gano'n? Sabi po nila kung mahal mo, i-take mo daw. Hindi nga side, syempre, kung ano yung komportable ang couple natin. And one thing, another request, wala mo nang papahiring icing sa lips. Kasi alam ko may request silang lahat eh. Ano po yung request nyo? Pwede po bang ulitin? Kiss daw po, okay lang ba? Magkikiss po kayo sa loob ng 30 minutes. 3 seconds lang. Kasi count, 1, 2, 3, magkikiss po kayo sa loob lang din ng 3 segundo. Ready? Look at each other. 1, 2, 3, kiss! 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Palakpakan naman po natin. Congratulations! Now, we are not yet through. Wine toasting naman po kayo. You have to hold the wine glasses. Cross arm muna kayo together. Tingin sa ating camera. Pwede na po ninyong inimayin ang inyong mga wines. Go ahead. And everybody, with that, let us give them again a big round of applause. Palakpakan natin doing the drink and wine traditions. Palakpakan naman po natin Mr. Kenneth Carl Santajuan.
When I've got
using your teeth or your hands if you're not comfortable. Just do it slowly but surely. Habang sumasayaw, Kenneth. Uy! Hahanapin mo ngayon yung garter na yan at dahan-dahan mo po siyang aalisin. Wow! May konting effort. May konting pitik. Okay, dahan-dahan nga harap po sa ating camera. For the last request, i-flex po, iikot-ikotin habang sumasayaw. Will that be fine? Wala ba kayong mga kamay malaki? Akala ko ayaw tumigil ni Kenneth, hinahayaan ko na lang siya. Ang galing mo, sir. Grabe na talaga yung performance mo tonight. Namamayagpag na naman ang performance ni Gro. And talagang ayaw mo nila kumupo. Isa pa. Take your seat if you have more than 3 X's. Sit down if you have more than 3 X's. How many X's do you have? 4. Talagang pasok pa sin sa bangka. Alright. Now, dalawa na lang sila. Take your seat if you think you have this strong sex appeal. Ay! Walang naiwan naman! Walang naiwan. Nakalagay doon sa tanong ko, joke lang yan. Tayo po kayo, may tiebreaker tayo. Kailangan may manalo ng cash prize. Kaya tatayo ulit kayo. Sit down. If you've ever lost your phone, nakawala ka na ba ng cellphone even before? Take your seat. Out na si Madam. Congratulations! Congratulations sa our ninang na nanalo po. So that you will be getting the cash book later on, of the couple. So, for now, bibigyan po natin ng chance mag-message. Oh,
You do have this one. You thinking of Shrek
sir, dito po kayo sa tabi para mas intense.
Hello, good evening everyone. This is you guys. Mahala kayo at laging mag-isa. Sana
Alright, talagang medyo mahiyaan si sir pero heartfelt. Diba po? Ang tanong, may na-video ka ba, ma'am? Si mami nagre-request, sabi niya, ulitin mo daw talaga ito, sir. Okay, nais po namin marinig, gusto po namin magpaiyak tayo ng bisita. Oo, yes. He's watching.
Bro, congrats. Kasi sa inyo, mahala kayo. Okay,
Minsan lang.
sana
I think I would have won.
congrats.
Salamat po! Palakpakan naman po natin si Sir Johnston. Upon request, Ma'am Grace Solomon. Ay, ano po ba? Ay, Ma'am Ana Marie, ikaw na, Ma'am. What will be the message?
Wala ka, hindi ako sinabihan ng best ko lang.
Hindi sana nakapag-prepare.
Hindi ready.
Hello everyone.
Kasi ako ready.
So for those who don't know
One
me,
of
I'm
those
the older
videos.
sister
One of
of
those. One of those.
congratulations to my brother Kenneth and Julie. We're all happy for the both of you. You made it to the next chapter of your lives. So growing up with Kenneth Boy ko kasi tawag sa kanya. Kapag wala yan si Mama, ako yung nanay niya. So nung bata pa kami. Gusto kasi siya na lalaki, so napagkakamalan ako lagi na nanay niya. Si Kenneth, makulit na bata yan. Pero mabait, syempre. At mapagmahal. Kapag kinakabahan yan sa school, or something, ilalagdat siya. Pero ngayon, sasabi ko naman na kahit di na kami nakakasama, very responsible naman siya. And I think magiging mabuting asawa naman siya. Siguro. Good luck, Julie. And to Julie, welcome to our family. To be honest, today lang tayo nag-meet personally. Pero nagkausap naman tayo online. So, about the wedding yun. So, nakita ko naman sa'yo, mabait ka, sweet, sabi nga ng mga sister ko, very sweet ka daw. Parang kami lang. Pili ko kaya ka nagustuhan kasi parang kami lang, di ba? And, thank you for loving your brother. Julie, wala nang solian yan, ha? Ka namang susoli. So, we are happy that we find each other. You're forever, sabi nga nila. And thanks to God kasi nakumpleto kaming lahat na magkakapatid. For the last time na may magpapakasal sa aming magkakapatid. So anyways, back to the couple, my advice ko lang sa inyo is love, respect each other equally, and trust and support parate. Kasi sa pag-aasawa, teamwork, yan talaga. Para mag-work. Marami kasing trials na dadating sa inyo. So understand each other, understand each other weaknesses. Basta lagi kang support lang kayo sa isa-isa. Pero there's a saying nga na happy wife, happy life. So kaya Kenneth, sundin mo si Julie. Okay? Always put God at the center of your relationship. And congratulations sa inyo, Ken and Julie. We love you guys. And I want to thank everyone for coming to my brother's wedding, sa mga asawa po namin na magkakapatid, at sa mga family nila na laging support. We really appreciate po lahat ng effort nyo. Sa mga relatives and friends na namin nandito, salamat po ulit sa pagdalo sa wedding ng kapatid ko. Yan lang. Aba ba?
Thank you naman, Marie. Nandito na po ba si
Kukunin na daw.